What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we've got a really exciting and special diecast review for you because we've got the Chase Elliott Amazon Prime number 9 Chevy for the 2025 season. This is a at the track exclusive as of this moment, as of this recording and upload. I was at Martinsville Speedway over the weekend and ended up getting the 164 and 124 advanced runs of these bad boys. As you see there, the Amazon Prime advanced run, one of 300. So we're going to take a look at both scales. We're going to start off with the 124 to show off all the pretty cool details I could get. And then we'll end off with the 164. Let me get these out of the box and we'll get right into it right about now. All right, here we go, 124 time. So we've got the Prime logo right there on the hood. Of course, the average Chevrolet nose. They haven't changed in the Gen 7 era. They're falling behind the competitors in that front. Down the side, we got the number 9 there. The blue number 9 with the white going down the side. The Prime logo again and all of his other sponsors. Coca-Cola, Lumar, UniFirst, Napa, Kelley Blue Book, Valvoline. No Hooters, of course. Unfortunately. All the logos, of course, as always, the Prime all over the place. You gotta maximize the spaces. Napa Auto Parts, there's the advertisement there. NASCAR on Prime, streaming in May of 2025. The Chevrolet Z01. I like the back of the car there. That was pretty nice. Pretty good looking. And hopefully, let's go back one more time. Hopefully, this is what all the drivers see, is this right here when Chase is out front. But down the other side, much the same there. Kelley Blue Book up here. Valvoline that's on all the Hendrick guys. And then Coca-Cola, Lumar, UniFirst, Napa. And of course, Napa gets most of the attention from the secondary sponsors on this car. Of course, his primary sponsor is Napa. Elliott and Chevrolet name banner. Elliott on the back. Really excited to see these in person at the track. And can't wait to see this on the racetrack coming up soon. I know it's at Talladega. I'm pretty sure it's the All-Star race. Kansas, I believe, maybe. And hopefully I get to see the Talladega in person. Maybe even the All-Star race in person. But there's the 124. Let's do one of them things. And of course the 164 is the exact same, but I just wanted to show it off while I could, because I really like this scheme. Denny Hamlin's progressive scheme actually copies this. Of course, I'm halfway kidding, but I like them both, progressive and this Amazon Prime for Chase Elliott. So that is that, but I've got one more surprise, I guess. Surprise for myself. Because at the track was another new early release, the Chase Elliott Napa primary scheme. Of course, I had to get this. They had a few other new ones that were early releases. SVG's number 88, WeatherTech was there. Maybe a few others. I just know that I went right to the Elliott haulers to pick these up. So this was the scheme he had yesterday as of recording this video at Martinsville. The scheme, the primary Napa scheme. He's got the Napa white that he runs a lot. So that's basically the video. I wanted to show off the new releases from Martinsville. I had a good trip, and I wanted to go into detail about the Prime video car just because it's a new sponsor in NASCAR, for that matter, and new sponsor for my guy Chase Elliott. But that about wraps it up. Make sure to like this video, leave a comment, subscribe for more. Let me know what you guys are excited for, or maybe if you aren't excited for the Prime coverage, if you have some faith in the Prime coverage that's going to be coming up in May. And if not, what are the worries? You know, we got the broadcast booth to worry about, some of the graphics. We'll see. Nothing can be worse than Fox. But other than that, like this video, leave a comment, subscribe for more, and thanks for checking this one out. Catch you in the next one.